Hey Tubes, well, I think I'm going to bring you along on my journey here. We blew a brake line on this 2000 Silverado the other day, and I ordered up some copper nickel lines to put in it, and I think I'm just going to bring you along and show you what I do here to get this thing back on the road again. Well, first order of business I think is to pull the tires and wheels and get it up on jack stands. Get my I'm going to start at the back, work my way forward. They highly suggested that I check and make sure my bleeders are all going to come off. Okay. The back of the truck is a good spot for that. Let's see how tight these are. Okay. Those, I do believe an impact is in order on that one. Come on. So let's get our floor jack over here. Saw this little tip. I thought I'd follow through on it. Pool noodle on the handle of the floor jack. It keeps you from banging the handle into stuff that's not supposed to. I wonder if I should jack up the, let's jack up the differential and get a jack stand under both sides. Whoa. With me there. Oh, I better pop the other side too. Now you may wonder why I'm not putting it up on this and working on it under that, and part of the reason is because it's a big truck, and I don't know if it would fit with the ramp up and my hoist or the ladder rack there that it's got going. The other is I think it'd just be easier to work on it over here. You don't have the ramps in the way, and I can see some anti-seize is going to be in order when I put this back together. Yeah. Jacked up a little bit here. Okay. Get my sledgehammer. You know, I think I might put these in the back too. Now, where do we want to support it? Let's see. Probably right out about there would be a good spot. Ooh, boy, that wheel looks tough and flat. And 19-year-old truck. Well, 20 now. The 2020s are coming out. Kind of got to expect that. The back is up. Not sure if I get that. Okay. Where is my bleeder on these? Broken off. I kid you not. I don't suppose these are any better, huh? Nope. Okay. Let's check this up. Well, the power tool, I bought it just as they were closing them out because the lithium-ion stuff was coming out. But for the amount that I use it, it's works just fine for me. Okay. No, this truck ain't going anywhere. Okay.
No.
Next thing to do is check the 3 bleeders that are left and make sure I can get those open. Okay, I think I got that one. Got that one freed up. Okay, I think we broke that one loose. Yeah, good. That comes up to here. Jeez. Yeah, that one looks bad. That looks bad. Got my spare tire out of here. Had to get the manual out and figure out how to lower that down. And okay, she's going up through there. Fuel tank. Oh boy. And that's a monster. One of the guys said unbolting the box and raising that up was what he does. Yeah, they run through the inside of the frame. I bet this sucker's got a full tank of gas too. You know, guys, you got to come out of there. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Get out of here. Come on. Come on, Bebbles. I know. Oh, you like laying in cars so much. Every opportunity you get, you'll get a car. You just get up here. Here. I'll do this for you. There. Full tank of gas. Oh, that's my luck. And I just went and got gas. Oh dear. Well, $87 octane. What else? Oh my! I could put some in the. I fill up the Dodge.